Foundation Apprentice of the Year, Thomas Woodward. Ambitious engineering apprentice Thomas Woodward is one of just 6 apprentices selected from 600 applicants working for wind energy company RWE Energy UK. 21-year-old Thomas, who lives in Newtown, completed a foundation apprenticeship in performing engineering operations last year and has progressed to an apprenticeship delivered by colleague Van Grichlo. He aims to become a competent technician within the next year and hopes to become part of the company's planning team for local wind farms. Thomas Kinsey. With 9 GCSE passes under his belt, Thomas Kinsey decided to take a different learning route to his friends who had further and higher education in their sights. 18-year-old Thomas from Newbridge opted for work-based learning and was selected from 600 applicants for a foundation apprenticeship in retail with the John Lewis Partnership in Cardiff, delivered by Acorn Learning Solutions. He was named the company's Level 2 Apprentice of the Year for the whole of the UK and has now joined the company's Branch Talent Management Programme. Matthew Edwards. Talented young butcher Matthew Edwards' quest to be the best has seen him become the champion Welsh young butcher and represent Great Britain in a European skills competition in Switzerland. 22-year-old Matthew, who works for SA Vaughan Family Butchers near Chester, secured his place in the GB team as runner-up in the National Federation of Meat and Food Traders 2013 Premier Young Butcher Contest. Having achieved a foundation apprenticeship, he's working towards an apprenticeship in meat and poultry industry skills with Cambrian Training Company. He's increased the customer base by holding an open evening and butchery demonstration, boosting takings by £200 a week.